It's a common scenario. You're waiting for an elevator and glance over at the event flyers while you wait. And what do you find? A really interesting event is coming up soon. You decide you want to go to this event. You try and memorize the date before the elevator gets there so you remember to go to this event. But unfortunate for you, you don't remember it. In fact, you only remember it again when you see the flyer after the event already happened. That's when you start to kick yourself that you forgot, and you're disappointed that you missed it. Instead of missing out on these events, you could have used Go2This. Go2This is a fast and easy website that lets you save a photo of the flyer along with the title and date so you don't forget it again. The nice thing about Go2This is that it also shares your post with others in the community, and you can see their posts too. This means you'll find more interesting events than just the ones that are along your daily walking routine. So, who is Go2This really for? While Go2This is promoted around college campuses, Go2This is not just for college students. Go2This is even for the hobby gardener who wants to remember the botanical event coming up or find out when the home and garden show is. Or it could be for the baseball dad who wants to remember that upcoming fundraiser that he saw on the bulletin board. The point is, Go2This is for the entire community. So the next time you want to go to an event and remember it, save the flyer to Go2This. And that way you'll actually remember, hey, I want to go to this. Now that you know how Go2This actually works, let's take a quick look at what Go2This looks like. You will arrive at the website and you will be prompted to upload an event to Go2This. So the first thing to do is open up your camera and take a quick photo of the flyer that you'd like to go to. Great. The next step is to add in the event title. For this one, I'm going to call it Test. List the date of when the event would be, and then pick an appropriate category. In this case, I'm going to act like it's a music concert. Under the More Information button, I have the option to view event location, event organization, or even add a short description. As you can see at the bottom, there's a checkbox that says Save as Private. This allows me to add an event without actually adding it to the entire community. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and save this event as a public event that the others in the community will be able to see. I get a confirmation that my test event has been successfully added. And as you can see, I've added a whole bunch of other events already as well. And all of these events are things that are under my bookmark page. So for this, I added a location and an organizer, as you can see here. But what about the community? Let's take a look at that now. I go over to the menu, click on View Share Events, and I can see what others have already been posting. As you can see, there's a thumbnail preview of each of the flyers. If I think one is interesting, or I find something that might be spam, I can just click Flag, and that alerts the Go2This administrator user that they should remove this post. Now, this looks like an interesting event. I think I'm going to take a look at it. Okay, I think I might go to this. And that's how easy it is to use Go2This. Now that you know how it works, you can start adding flyers and going to more events today.